What's going on, all my winners? I'm Joey Winning from Winning Tints in Elizabeth, New Jersey. I just want to let all you viewers out there know that if at any time you want to move to a specific part of this video, feel free to hit one of the timestamps and move at your leisure. Today we're going to be talking about a car that we don't normally see on the road, but it is a very essential and vital piece to the electric car community, and that is the Lucid Air. Today, the customer is making one of the best decisions you can make for your car, with 70% on the front windshield and 35% on the front and back windows, all in Nano Ceramic. Protecting your investment is just as much our business as it is yours. As you can see here, left unprotected, the sun will eventually wear on your interior. So if you made a big investment into your vehicle, like this Porsche Taycan, or even this EQE 350, and let's not forget this EQS 580, we can handle any and all electric vehicles. Checking this car outside before we pull it in, it definitely has some unique features. To be honest, I have only seen one of these, and it begs the question, where did Lucid come from? Lucid originally named Ativa back in 2007 as a startup and revamped in 2016 by Peter Rawlinson, Tesla's former chief engineer of the Model S. After a falling out in 2016, Elon Musk jumped on Twitter to say this.
On Twitter, he even said you were not the chief engineer of Model S. What do you say to that?
I wish I had, actually upstairs I've got some of my old business cards. It says chief engineer. I'll hand you the card. I wish I had my prop with me. But seriously, I've got my old business cards and it says, and the SEC filing showed me as that.
Despite the rumors discrediting him, Peter Rawlinson has developed the most aerodynamic luxury vehicle in the world. And not only that, he also developed the batteries that Formula E utilizes. Every single car on this track is using a Lucid battery. Let's pull the Lucid Air inside and take a better look at it. At first look, you can see and feel this car's presence, especially with this obscure front lighting system. The lighting system almost looks mean, like it's grilling you or squinting towards something that it's trying to come at. This rear LED strip with the Lucid badge planted on it is a very tasteful add-on to the whole lighting system in general. This body style is very smooth with no real hard lines, adding to that aerodynamic proficiency we were talking about. Taking a peek at the rims, you can see that they're designed almost like a fan. The aero technology designed for this car really has no bounds. Let's compare this car to others in its class. With a starting price of $89,000 and 480 horsepower, it makes it a 5.3 second car, which isn't that impressive, but it has 425 miles per charge. The Model S starts $1,000 lower and has 670 horsepower, making it a 3.1 second car, but only has a range of 265 miles per charge, which is a little slacking. The Polestar 2 starts at $48,000 for good reason, with 231 horsepower, but has a 3.9 second jump from 0 to 60, and it only has a range of 276 miles per charge. I would say the Lucid Air is a very well-balanced vehicle that can't be ignored with its range. Seriously impressive stuff. Let's jump inside and check out the interior. The info system was designed to be a perfect match to the driver's line of sight with a retractable screen, offering a secret storage compartment. It does make me wonder though, if this thing were to ever fail, how disadvantaged would you be, as this is a major functionality to the car. Taking a look from the back seat, we can see this high quality Nappa leather, and it's partnered up with recycled products to create a synthetic fabric which adds to an electric car's overall purpose of environmental safety. checking out the winning team perfecting another installation. I just want to add for all you new viewers out there that we take many safety precautions, ensuring integrity to your vehicle's safety while we work. Now that the installation process is complete, let's check out the overall look of how the tint lays on those windows. And I gotta say guys, it gives the car a totally different attitude. We handle all sorts of customer demands daily. Whether you want your car wrapped, suicide doors tinted, trust in us to bring in your favorite Ferrari or Rolls Royce. We can handle all chrome deletion. We even offer detailing services on site. Want your front or back lights tinted? That too is no problem. The customer loved the final product as well as us, because here at Winning, we take pride in what we do every step of the way. As we wave goodbye to the Lucid Air, I just want to let you guys know that if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for more content on the way. And also, we now offer 100-day interest-free financing. So if you want to become a winner and join our team, don't hesitate to come in and apply today. As always, I'm Joey Winning. Thank you for watching.